Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and today an EP3 in Cosmic Grey to be mapped. Let's do it.
That's the button down. Cosmic Grey EP3, our favourite colour.
Yeah, I do believe it's our favourite colour. Videos have been a little bit short, if people have noticed this week. Live chats have all been a little bit short. Me and Dan are on our own. So Jensen's been off pretty much.
So thirsty. I'm so thirsty, Jensen.
Yeah, not even had a tea, have we?
No.
Yeah, so he's been away. He's probably been in 5 days out of 3 weeks with holidays.
We even let Keith have a holiday, didn't we?
Yeah, Keith's been away. He was away last Friday and he's been away all this week.
I'm not having a holiday till Starfield comes out on the Xbox.
Oh, okay.
I lost my glasses.
You're not having a holiday?
I am having a holiday. I'm telling you, I'm going to sit in my pants.
You're not?
I'm going to Uber myself
There's
to
no
death.
way anyone that's got a wife at home will not be allowed to take a day off and then sit there all day playing on the Xbox, because they'll ruin it for you.
I will bring the Xbox to work and I'll sit in my pants at work, and that's a fact.
Okay, well, fair enough.
Starfield, join me.
If that's what you want to do. It's your office. You can do what you want in there.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah. Well, yeah, so anyway, this car was already got a K100 in it, fitted from another car. So take it from another car, put in this car, which we all know is not the best way to do things. It had a tune already on the ECU, tuned by a well-known tuner. Some may say he's the best UK tuner.
Not me.
Not us, but yeah, okay. So anyway.
But if you put your car on one roller, he's pretty good.
Yeah, I've seen that. Well, anyway, so we started tuning on this vehicle today. It hasn't got the best mods on it, I'm afraid. We've got an M2 inlet manifold, which we know is not the best, and we know the ports are not great. It's on a stock inlet manifold, stock throttle body. It's on a homebrew induction kit, which is tiny, probably like 2.5 inch, really, or maybe 3 inch, but a really small filter. And really dirty and ripped up on the bottom as well. So literally not the best mod at all there.
Ripped up on the bottom.
Yeah. Standard manifold. I think it's a decap pipe that it's got on there.
Could be a sports cap.
But it could be a sports cap. We're not really sure because they look very similar. Like the Toyo Sport type deal going on for sure.
Yeah, don't buy that.
And a Teguo 70mm. So the probably
great exhaust.
Yeah, exhaust really, really good. But everything else in this car is holding it back. I think we started on, what did we start on, 210?
211.
Or 211. We started on 211. We finished on 220. Now, considering that this has got an inlet manifold on it, it's got an induction kit, it's got an exhaust. That's not brilliant, and it isn't brilliant. You know, you can see with those mods, or the right mods, should I say, you can see up to sort of 240 brake horsepower. So, yeah, massively down in my opinion. Not the best mods and not good mods. So, a good round of mods on this car is what's needed and a retune.
To be fair though, it's not down. for the mods that it's got. This is what we expect.
Yeah, of course. No, sorry, I'll rephrase that then. It's not down on power by 20 brake, but if you were to fit the same mods but the correct ones and good quality ones, then there would be 20 brake horsepower in this car.
And 20 brake horsepower NA is a massive difference.
Well, it is, because it's the difference between this car standard and where it is now. It's the
difference
same jump
between
again,
winning
isn't
and
it?
losing.
Yeah, it's the same jump again, ain't it? My argument is, if you're spending your money and you're putting these mods on the car, well, then you want to see the gains from it, and the only way you're going to do that is by putting some decent mods on there.
Agreed.
I think a 4-to-1 decap manifold on this car, a good induction kit, and
Available
a
on
good
the web shop. Available on the web shop.
yeah, and a good inlet
Available
manifold
on the web shop.
and a good throttle body.
That's me. I've done my bit now.
Have you? If you hadn't noticed, Dan says everything's available on the website.
It's available on the website.
Right, shall we have a look at this graph?
Let's do it.
So as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. And yes, there's power made right the way across the rev range there. From the get-go to peak. As you can see, because it was already tuned, it was already revved out to 8.6. We finish on 220 brake horsepower, 179 at the wheels. Code word, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you stuck around to the end of the video, is Cosmic Grey, because we love a Cosmic Grey. It's absolutely my favourite colour and my go-to choice if I were to purchase another EP3. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching all of them. We appreciate your support. We'd love you to drop a comment below, and we'll see you all very soon. Hey, Gary, we'll see you all very soon, won't we? Yes, mate, absolutely. We will indeed.
Said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.